Gave green a little attitude today. It's a 2-inch cherry bomb I picked up from the Syracuse Nationals. Got rid of the stock exhaust. It was 2-inch pipe coming off the manifold. Goes into the cat, but Nissan reduced the pipe size out of the cat to 1 3/4 inches. So essentially choking it twice. Then it had a muffler and it had a resonator on top of that. As you can see here, there's the cat. This is the side that I cut right here. And, well, that's the input side. Here's the output side, 1 3/4 inches. And then it goes into this original muffler, which has seen better days. Got some orange or onion peel going on here, which is not bad for 20 years old. That's original. You can see right there. That's all factory. Came right off, no problem. And then it's got this secondary California thing, and I don't know why, because all it does is just further restrict the exhaust, and then just a tiny tailpipe coming out the back. And this thing sounded like a vacuum cleaner going around the autocross track. Pretty annoying. And already I've noticed that it breathes a little bit better. It's not fighting the exhaust as much, so, well, it's not fighting the pipe size as much. So I figured I'll fire her up for a second. I don't want to, it needs to have a tailpipe put on it. I'm going to have the tailpipe come out right in front of the rear tires. So I'm just going to suction cup you here, and actually, you know what? Oh, yeah, I'm going to suction cup you up here, and just turn here so you can see the festivities. Got a nice rumble at idle. I can still hear myself think. That's the big one. But as soon as you get on it, probably added about 400 horsepower, at the wheels. I think I just